philosophy of the Guru பார்க்கலாம். தானல்லா ஐங்கோச க்ஷேத்திரமிதில் வளர் தான் என்னும் மனமாம் தானிய உளுந்தை. தானல்லா ஐங்கோஷ க்ஷேத்திரமிதில் வளர் தான் என்னும் மனமாம் தானிய உளுந்தை. நானாரன் ஞான விசார திரிகையில் நான் அல்ல என்றே உடைத்து பொடித்து. Those of you who can understand Tamil can easily understand. Tanalla, Tan, I, the Aham, the real I. Allah, not that. Aim kosha kshetram. This body is a kshetram. Idam shariram. Kshetram itavidiyate. Abdina Bhagavan says this body is called a field. What is this field made up of? 5 koshas. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha, Anandamaya kosha, and 5 sheets, 5 koshas are making up this field called the body. We think we are this body. And we are not this body. We are not this body. Adanala, Tanalla inkosha kshetramidil vala. In this field, which we are not, what is growing? It is an agricultural field. A field, something grows, some crop grows. What crop grows here? Tanalla ainkosha kshetramidil valar tan ennu manamam dhaniya ulundai. The black gram, ulundu, the black gram that is used to make appalam is growing in this field. What is the black gram that is growing in this field? The ego I is the black gram that is growing up in this field of body. The body la dane aham varudhu. So what should we do? Traditionally, what do we do in this recipe? You take the black gram and grind it into a flour. So what should we do with this? I grind it into a flour. Make it into nothing. For grinding it, we need a grinding machine. And the kalathila yantramnu cholluva, thirigainu cholluva. The 2 stones will be there with a hole in between and a stick to hold on to. One will be fixed, one will be moving, and then they will move the stone round and round like this, putting the grain into the center hole. As it goes inside, it will be ground and flour will be coming out together. So Bhagavan says, use a grinding stone. What is the grinding stone now? Nanaryan jnana vichara tirigayil. What does the tirige go? Again and again, round and round, round and round, again and again, again and again, it repeats it. What is this repetitive process? Naan yaar, who am I? 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 Inquiry becomes the action of grinding this ego that is growing in this field called the body. The inquiry itself becomes the grinding stone for it. So, you put this ego into this grinding stone of inquiry and நானல்ல என்றே உடைத்து பொடித்து. You break it down. Take this ego and break it, உடைத்து பொடித்து, break it and render it into flour. அப்படி பண்ணி அப்பளமிட்டு பாதை சாப்பிட்டும் ஆசையை தீர. Fulfill your desire of making an appalam. Don't make the ordinary appalam. Take the ego and grind it and to make the flour with the ego. That be the base for it. Flour is tasteless. It needs taste, ingredients for taste to be added to it. What ingredients for taste? Satsangam pirandai rasatodu. Appalathila pirandai juice is added. Pirandai na or creeper. And creeper is very unique. It grows only in our country. The juice of it is very good for cleansing the insides. If they have a son like that, a child is born like that, the mothers would say, for having given birth to you, I have to put perandai in my stomach to cleanse the whole thing. It cleans the inside. Perandai juice cleans the inside. Cleaning the inside means not cleaning the stomach, cleaning the antakaranam, antakarana shuddhi, chitta shuddhi. So Bhagavan uses the perandai juice to create chitta shuddhi in this divine appalam. What is the perandai here? What is that creeper here now? Satsangamagum pirandai rasatodu. Satsangam becomes the perandai juice. You know, what does satsangam do? Gives chitta shuddhi to us. Satsangamagum pirandai rasatodu samam damamagindra jeeraga milagudal. What does the appalam have? If you see in the appalam, it will have cumin seeds in it and pepper. They are adding taste to it. But what is the spiritual cumin and spiritual pepper here? Samam, damam, sama and dama. Sama abdina equanimity, dama na inner sense control, outer control and inner control. That becomes jeeragam and milagu. Seer agam abdina per adukku. It makes the inside perfect. Adu samam abdina. Shama abdingiradhu making the inside perfect. Shama, Dama, abdingra qualities are there in spirituality. Shama means equanimity. Shama means inner control. Dhamma na external control. Inner control is the jeeragam, external control is the milagu. Samadama mahira jeeraga milagudal uparati yaguma uppodu ulla. Salt is also needed, yeah, for taste. What is salt? Uparati, retiring from the world is uparati, is salt. Uparati yagum uppodu. If you look at it merely from language point of view, uparati is uppu. Uppu is salt. Uparati is the real uppu. Bhagavan is playing with the words also. Uparati yagum uppodullanal வாசனையாம் பெருங்காயமும் சேர்த்து. நல்வாசனையாம் பெருங்காயமும் சேர்த்துன்னா எல்லாம் தமிழ் தெரிஞ்சவாளுக்குத்தான் புரியும். பெருங்காயம், asafoetida. There is something called asafoetida that we use in our cooking. Hing, inguva. What is the one quality of perungayam? It doesn't have taste, much taste. What is it used for now? Smell only. And the smell is so strong that if you have stored perungayam in a container, no matter what you do, that vasana will never leave that container. Smell ku vasana nu peru. Vasana also means our impressions. What kind of impression? Nal vasanayam. Good vasanas, shubha vasanas, moksha vasanas, bhakti vasanas. Shubha vasanayam nal perungayamum சேர்த்து அப்பளமிட்டு பாரு, அதை சாப்பிட்டு ஆசையை தீரு. கல் நெஞ்சில் நான் நான் என்று கலங்காமல், கல் நெஞ்சில் நான் நான் என்று கலங்காமல் உள்முக உலக்கையால் ஓயாதிடித்து. கல் நெஞ்சில் நான் 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 என்று கலங்காமல் உள்முக உலக்கையால் ஓயாதிடித்து. சாந்தமாம் குழவியால் சமமான பலகையில், சாந்தமாம் குழவியால் சமமான பலகையில் சந்ததம் சலிப்பர சந்தோஷமாகவே அப்பளமிட்டு பாரு. Kal nenju, the stone in which you pound things, it becomes your heart. Kal nenju அப்படின்னா make it firm அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். With a determination in your heart, நான் 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 ஐ ஐ ஐ அப்படிங்கிற என்று கலங்காமல் உள்முக உலக்கையால் break this I down with the inward turned mind. You need a mortar and pestle இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஒரு grinding mortar வேணும், stone mortar, ஒரு pestle வேணும் to grind it, to make all these spices into grains, பொடி பண்றதுக்கு powder. What is that mortar அப்படின்னா? The determined heart is the mortar. It doesn't move. What is the ulakkai which you grind அப்படின்னா? உள்முகம், turning inwards is the ulmukham. How should you turn inwards? Kalangamal, without any let up. Constantly go in, constantly turn within. And the ulmukha ulakkayal, keep on pounding nan nan என்று கலங்காமல் உள்முக உலக்கையால் ஓயாது இடித்து. ஓயாது, relentlessly pound the ego with determination and effort and inward turned vision. பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்னா, அப்புறம் you need now the paste has been made. Now it has to be rolled out. Like a chapati thing, it has to be rolled out. For that, what do we need? We need a stone and the grinding pin, rolling pin. We need a rolling pin and we need the stone to roll it in. That is the next thing required. What is it, Abhina? Shantamam Kujavi. The rolling pin is Shanti. Use Shanti as the rolling pin. Samamana Palagayil. Samam. How should this grinding stone be? Flat. In Tamil, the word samam means flat. Samam also means equanimity. With equanimity as the base, with Shanti as the rolling pin, you roll, stretch out, make the rolls of this appalam with it. Bhagavan vandu Shamam, Damam, Uparati, Samadhana, ellathiyum solradhu inga. Samatvam, ella he is bringing all of those qualities here. With that, Santatam Salipara Santoshamagave. How is Amma doing now? So much is there, I have to do everything. Grumblingly she is doing it. Bhagavan is saying, this particular appalam, don't grumble. Santoshamagave, Salipu Ara, without fatigue, without exhaustion, without complaints, without any grumbling, without whinging, happily roll out this appalam and eat it.